to use alarms on iPad. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use alarms on iPad. So in order to use alarm, you need to open the clock app in your iPad, and over here you have a bunch of different options like world clock, alarms, stopwatch and timer. So in order to set an alarm, you have two different options. Either you can go ahead and select the available alarm that you have in your iPad, but if you want to set a new alarm, just click on this plus icon from the right hand side of the screen, and over here you can select the timing on which you want to set the alarm for. For example, I want to set the alarm for 10 a.m. in the morning. So I'm going to select the timing right here. And you can also select whether you want to repeat this particular alarm. So just you need to select on it, and you can select the days on which you want to repeat this particular alarm. And you can also add labels to it, and you can also change the sound of this particular alarm. And if you want to keep the snooze in the alarm or not, you can select that as well. And after that, just simply click on this checkbox from the alarm itself, and there you go. Now you have the 10 a.m. alarm set in your iPad right here. So this is basically how you will be able to use alarms on iPad. I hope you find this video to be helpful.